Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So Rainy Data updated you today that Kaizer Chiefs transfer news in posing with XTV. Here are some key updates. Kaizer Chiefs have added Simba SC left back to their wish list, seeking to boost their full-back department. Kaizer Chiefs is eyeing the Richards Bay striker as another potential replacement for Ranga Chivavero. Kaizer Chiefs is willing to offer 7 million to secure the cheaper United midfielder Sinoxolo Nkwayiba. Sale won't return to Kaizer Chiefs, with SuperSport United FC holding a purchase option. Zita Koinega is expected to debate Kaizer Chiefs with the potential suitors including Amazulu and Chippa United and other PSL clubs. I will release big story tomorrow. Kaizer Motaung boys are cooking behind the scenes for us to know what they are cooking. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.